Hi, I'm gonna show you how to make boxes. All right, so over here we're gonna click on the rectangle tool, and you're just gonna draw a box on the floor. And again, to get the view from the floor, here's the orbit tool. With the orbit tool, if you are like this, it's a lot better to draw a box when you're looking down on the floor. So you're going to use the orbit tool to look down on, click and drag to look down on the floor. It'll make it easier to draw the boxes. And I want you to draw 10 boxes, just rectangles. Right now they're rectangle, they're two-dimensional rectangles. Now, to make these boxes, you're going to click on the push-pull tool. This is the push-pull tool. And you're going to click and drag up to create a box. Click and drag up like that. And now, this is how you make a box.